Inspired by the famous revolving restaurant Nesita, Finland, it makes the interior space spacious and transparent by maximizing the introduction of natural light. The shower room is made of 304 stainless steel and tempered explosion-proof glass, making it more secure to use. The shower column has 3 directions of water flow and a back massage function to meet different shower needs. Look at the cabinet. The basin is fired at 1280 for 13 hours, the glaze is bright, dirt and scratch resistant. The material of stainless steel plays a good moisture-proof effect. The intelligent fog-proof mirror cabinet is both beautiful and practical. The siphon jet toilet deodorizes the bathroom, and it has a good mute effect as well. The large button of the water tank flushes 4.8 liters, while the small one is 3 liters. The toilet lid is made of UF material, which is scratch resistant and environmentally friendly.